In 2018, we took our long-awaited family trip to Greece. We visited three cities: Athens, Naxos, and Santorini. Our first stop was Athens, Greece. We spent a few days there exploring the city. Athens is one of the oldest cities in the world, has a lot of history, a lot of culture, and a lot of people. It's a very congested metropolitan area. It's beautiful, and it does have some areas that are not so beautiful, but overall, a couple days in Athens is all you need. Of course, we climbed the hill of Acropolis. Along the way up, we stopped and saw the Herodes Atticus Theater Amphitheater, which is pictured on the bottom left. We continued our way up to the top where we came across the Parthenon. The Parthenon is, of course, what Athens, Greece is known for. Um, it's a very beautiful sight to see. The breathtaking views from the top overlooking the entire city of Greece. I'm sorry, the entire city of Athens. Breathtaking views. It's extremely hot in the summer months if you do visit and take that walk up the hill. Plenty of water is very much needed. It's a great little hike up, but it is intense, and water is a must if you ever plan to visit. Take plenty of water or buy plenty of water on your way up. The next island we visited was a very small, not so popular island called Naxos. It's more where the locals tend to go. It is a beautiful island, very calm, very relaxing. The beaches are very kid-friendly, very small to minimal waves, perfect for kids. We spent each day at a new beach around the island, and every single one of them did not disappoint. We also spent a day sailing around the entire island on a sailboat, jumping in and out of the water on the different coves, sightseeing different dolphins. I think maybe a seal or two. The island of Naxos was absolutely beautiful. The next location was Santorini, Greece. We stayed on the small area of Oia, which is where you find the white cave houses with the blue domes that Santorini is famous for. We explored the entire city. We took a tour around the entire island, saw the Greek vineyards, which are very different from anywhere else you've seen vineyards. They don't grow them above the ground, they grow them low to the ground and in sand. So that makes for different types of wines, of course. We also did do the fish pedicure, which is definitely a unique experience. Um, the next slide also shows different parts of Santorini. Mostly the Oia area was where we spent most of our time because that is where we were fortunate enough to stay in the cave houses that Santorini is known for. The beaches there are a little bit more rough, bigger waves, but the kids still had a blast playing in the beach. So this was our trip to Greece in 2018. Thanks for watching.